Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform 3 glass yogurt jars and create beautiful window hanging flower displays. Okay, so for this project you'll need 3 glass jars. I'm reusing yogurt jars. I'm also using my cold transfer stickers. You can use any vinyl stickers. And I'm also using some artificial flowers. And I'm also using some twine. You can use twine or string. And you'll also need scissors and also floral cutters. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, I'm using cold transfer stickers. I'm going to apply my cold transfer stickers to my glass jars. I went with a flower theme. You can go with whatever theme you'd like. So what I'm doing here is I'm just removing the film, and then I'm going to apply it onto my glass jar. And of course I will remove any of the bubbles before removing the top film, and then I will repeat this on the other jars. Okay, so now you're ready to add the twine to your jars. So you'll need twine and scissors. You're going to begin by wrapping the twine around the neck of each jar twice, and then you'll secure it by tying it off. You can either just tie it once. I tied a knot just to make sure it was secure. And then after you do that, you're going to cut a longer piece of the twine, and you're going to take each of the ends of the twine and pull it through the sides of the twine that you had already wrapped around. You're going to pull it through on each side and then tie those off into a knot. And this will also make sure that everything is sturdy, so when you go to hang it, it won't fall. Okay, so now we're ready to add the artificial flowers. So you'll need some floral cutters, and you'll just want to cut your flowers to size. And once you have done that, you're just going to tuck each of your flowers into the jars. Okay, so once you have added your floral into each jar, you're ready to hang your display. So what I did was I used a spring tension rod on my window, one that fit perfectly with the window frame. And doing that, I was able to slip each of the jars onto the rod. If not, you can always use a command hook as well to display your jars. And that completes your window hanging flower display. Thank you all for coming along and creating with me. I'll see you soon.